See, self-service group management in Microsoft Entra ID allows users to create and manage groups without requiring IT intervention. Properly configuring these settings is crucial for controlling access, reducing administrative overhead, and maintaining security. Now let's understand the group settings. Defaults are too open for group as well. Locking down them is very essential for you as a security engineer when it comes to tenant hardening. Let's unpack what they mean. First, you get group setting page by navigating to groups and then selecting group settings on the left hand side in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. First group setting on the screen is owners can manage group membership requests in my groups. What it means? If enabled, group owners can review and approve membership requests directly from my groups in the Entra portal. If disabled, only IT administrators can manage group membership requests. What are the security considerations in this case? If left open to all users, uncontrolled group memberships could lead to unauthorized access to resources. And best practice is enable this only for trusted group owners to allow decentralized group management while maintaining security. Second group setting is restrict user ability to access group features in my groups. What it means? If enabled, regular users cannot manage or request group access via my groups. Group and user administrators will still have read-only access. What are the security considerations in this case? If users can freely create and modify groups, it may lead to misconfigured permissions and security risk. Best practice is enable this if you want to restrict group modifications to admins only. Next group setting is users can create security groups in Azure portals, API or PowerShell. What it means? If enabled, users can create security groups using the Azure portal API or PowerShell. If disabled, only IT administrators can create security groups. What are the security considerations? If left open, users might create security groups with incorrect permissions, which can lead to security gaps. Best practices restrict this to administrators only to prevent unauthorized group creation and privilege escalation. And last group setting on the screen is users can create Microsoft 365 groups in Azure portals, API or PowerShell. What it means? If enabled, users can create Microsoft 365 groups, which are used for collaboration tools like Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook. If disabled, only IT administrators can create Microsoft 365 groups. What are the security considerations in this case? If open to all users, excessive group creation could lead to data sprawl, compliance risk, and difficulty managing access. Best practices allow only specific users or departments to create Microsoft 365 groups. To sum up, best practices for group management security includes enable group membership management only for trusted owners, restrict users from accessing my groups unless necessary, limit security group creation to IT administrators to prevent privileged misuse, control Microsoft 365 group creation to avoid unnecessary Teams or SharePoint sprawl, and monitor and audit group activity using Microsoft Entra reporting tools. By configuring self-service group management correctly, you balance security with operational efficiency and ensure that groups are used properly without introducing security risk.